The view is not very good. It doesn't look very high end. Oh no, stains. Oh, I've heard of this brand and I've never found it ever. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Andrea. I am a part-time reseller. I resell on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Kidizan, and Tradesy. Today I'm going to do a Thredup Rescue unboxing. If you're not aware, Thredup is an online consignment store where you can send your items and they'll sell it for you and they will pay you a percentage of what this item sells for. If you send your items and they don't accept it, you have an option to get the items back or they will keep the items. And that's usually what they put in those rescue boxes. They put in those boxes items that either didn't sell in the time frame that they're supposed to be up on the Thredup website, which is usually 60 to 90 days depending on the item, or items that they didn't accept in the first place. So they put in those Thredup rescue boxes. I got a men's Thredup rescue box because Thredup doesn't sell men's items. I have purchased a Thredup men's box before and I was somewhat successful with that box. I paid $90 for 25 pounds. And for that box, I made over $200, and that makes for a fun video. I'm going to link the Thredup box right here if you are interested in seeing that. And let's see what I got in my Thredup men's rescue box. This is the box here. I have not opened it, and I've had this box for a long time now because I was waiting to film a video. Let me open it. So they have the slip right here. It says $90, a rescue box, mixed men's items. It doesn't say here how many pounds, but I believe it's 25 pounds. If I'm wrong, I'm going to put it here, how many pounds that is. Comes with a little tissue on top. The view is not very good. It doesn't look very high end, but we'll see. So I got this divided men's shorts, size 28. I am not sure if I'm going to resell this, just because reselling is not only about the profit you're going to make, but also if it's worth your time. So if it's not worth my time, I'll just redonate it to Savers and get a 20% discount coupon. This is a Banana Republic Gavin men's pants. I think I'll sell that just because I like selling men's pants. They sell well, and Banana Republic is a good brand for men's. Then another Banana Republic. This is Banana Republic Factory actually, but I'll sell that as well. It's just a plaid shirt, size small, not a very great size. The bigger the size, the better in my opinion. Then I have here a Fila extra large. This is just a t-shirt. I don't think I'm gonna sell that. Then in my first box, they also sent me ties just because it's lightweight. I don't have luck selling ties. Maybe I just never picked up good ties. And I don't know the brand. This is John Henry. It's 100% silk. So I have to do some research on that. Then I got this Nike Pro Dry Fit. I can sell that maybe for $10 to $12. Then I got this. It's a brand new with tags. I don't know the brand. Salt Bay. If you know any of these brands, please let me know if you have any experience selling this. It's just a hoodie, brand new with tags, with some guy right here that's embroidered. I don't know the guy. Do you know? If you know, please let me know. Another Banana Republic lightweight flannel, plaid. Maybe I'll lock them up if they're the same size. Then Puma pair of sweatpants. maybe $10 for that if I decide to list it. Then this is a US Polo, kind of a windbreaker, white. Okay, this is not a very expensive brand to begin with, so I'm not sure how much I can get for that. Maybe $10. Nike, new with tags. This is a soccer sweatshirt, depending on the size. I'm gonna save this for my husband. I think my husband can keep that. He doesn't wear many sweatshirts, so I don't know if he's gonna want it, but it's brand new with tags, and it's US soccer, and my husband loves soccer. Yeah. Then some Levi jeans. I love selling men's Levi jeans. This is a good size. It looks very large to me. It looks large to me. What is the size? Oh, the size actually says here. Yeah, waist 40, length 30. It's just a black Levi jeans. If it doesn't have any flaws, it has some stains here, but it seems like it's superficial. Maybe I can spot treat it. I will sell that too, maybe $20 for it. Then another pair of Banana Republic. This is the Emerson 30 by 32. I will also sell that. This thing is packed. Then a blazer made in Egypt. Where is the Banana Republic as well? So I believe that's the same person who donated all of these, all of the Banana Republic, but this is a size 38 regular, which is a better size than the ones. Oh no, stains. If I cannot treat that, that's gonna be redonated. What is this? Dickies size medium. This is some kind of work uniform shirt. Uniform shirts usually can do very well. I've sold UPS shirts for $20. Brand new with tags, Ralph Lauren, white, button front shirt. That's good. I can sell that. Size 10. That should be women's, right? Size 10. I think that's women's. Yep. It has a roll. No, it doesn't have the roll tabs, but I believe it's women's. So let's see here. What is this? No brand. Oh, here. Kenneth Cole, New York. I don't see size anywhere. There is no size. Then H&M Easy Iron Slim Fit size small button down shirt. And I got this NFL Chargers jersey with sprues. I don't know who they are. I know nothing about sports. Then I got another tie, Nautica. Might lot them up and see if they sell. I have never sold a tie ever in my life. No, I'm lying. I sold a rag and bone tie once that I got at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. Another NFL size medium. It's just a jersey. I don't know who that is. It looks like a panther. You guys know. Then just Boys State Broncos jersey as well. Oh, another soccer jersey. South African Football Association with the flag right here in the back. This looks like the original one. Yeah, that's nice. Champion size large. I was really hoping it was Lululemon, but it's not. It's okay, just some joggers, size, oh, size large, I already said it. This does not look like man's size large. Maybe this is women's. I'll try it on and see. Then Ready Golf shirt, brand new with tags. I don't know how much that goes for, but usually golf shirts are an easy sell. Oh, I have another one here. Oh, I've heard of this brand and I've never found it ever. Untuck It. It seems like it's a good brand. I don't know how much that goes for. If you have experience selling this brand, please let me know how much you think this is gonna go for. It's a size small. Another new with tags, Nike Dry Fit. What is this size? Doesn't have a size. Oh, 3XL. That's great. Brand new with tags, 3XL. So I can sell that for sure. Nautica jeans, Bermuda shorts, size, what is the size? Size 38. I think I can sell that too. I like sweaters like this. This looks like a vintage sweater. Don't know the brand, but look at this pattern. I'm excited about that. Size medium. I'm sure I can get at least $25 for that. That's a lot of items. Size small, but no brand. Do you know this brand? It has this logo here, and it's not a logo, sorry. It has this logo here, and it has a little hole. I think that's for if you have your phone and you have the earphone cord goes through here, but it doesn't have a brand anywhere, just this logo. I'm gonna try to do a Google lens on the logo and see if I can figure it out, but it looks like good quality because you see when I usually look at athletic wear, I usually look for the ends of the drawstrings. If they have something nice covering the drawstrings, it's usually a good brand to pick up. So it's lined with some kind of compression shorts, so I think that's gonna be okay to resell. Then H&M size 29 slim fit. So it has this nice button fly, size 29 if I didn't say it. And another Old Navy slim, size 29-30, just a dark wash pair of jeans. Another Levi's pair of black jeans, size 42-30. So I'm gonna count to see how many items I got. So I counted 32 items and I paid $90, which bring my cost of goods to $8.85. That is if I don't find flawed items that I have to toss. So this is how I calculate my cost of goods. I see how many items are worth listing, and then I divide $90 per the amount of items I'm listing or keeping, if I keep it for my husband or things like that. So I think it's a good box. I'm not disappointed. No big home runs that I've had before in the other box. I got a very nice pair of shoes that I sold for $60, and I got an American Giant sweatshirt, but I'm sure I can make my money back on this box plus some. I plan to do a video in a month or two to see how many items I sold, if I got my money back in 2 months. If you think that's a good idea, please leave me a comment down below. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. It's free and it takes you 2 seconds to click the button. And if you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you for coming back. I love having you here. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Today I'm going to do Thredup is a Thredup is a